Hello you guys and welcome to my channel and welcome to day 9 of Confessions of a Paper Addict's 20 Days of Christmas Cut Files. Today's prompt is foliage or leaves. So I have the Christmas foliage cut file for you. I've cut it out in one of the Simple Stories Mix and a Mingle pattern papers because I thought this would be fun. It's nice and bright and colorful and perfect for documenting my son's first grade Christmas class, first grade class's Christmas party and their silly photo. So I can't wait to document that. So let me finish getting all my little bits out of my cut file, because apparently I didn't do that, and pick out what papers, map my photo, all that good stuff, and we'll check back in to with each other shortly. I've decided I really like this super dark paper with this over top of it. Even though it looks busy, it's a picture of my son with his first grade friends and they're partying. So to me, it just kind of emulates like what's going on. So because I had taken a chunk out of this paper, I decided to do like a little fold over. So I have a scrap that I tucked in as the corner, and I had another scrap that I folded over, and I love that. That looks super cute. I'm not really sure how straight. It just looks not straight. I mean, it is. It's lining up. So I think it's just, it plays with your eye a little. But now to make the background stand, or to make this stand off the background a little bit more, I'm going to add some white splatters to the background. I'm going to glue this down, and then I'm going to add, I think, some gold splatters. So then this is just going to become all background. But it's, I love this pop of pink, and then it almost looks like it's a whole nother pattern because some of the red poinsettias in the cut file are kind of blending in with those red cut poinsettias in the background. So it kind of looks like it weaves in and out. I don't know. It's a really cool effect that I didn't try on purpose, but I like it. So we're going to splatter white. I'm going to glue this down, and then we're going to splatter some gold on top of that. I can never get my wand to actually splatter from this one, so I always have to go in with a paintbrush. And you know, this is acrylic, and what I've learned from other people, what works better is to splatter with gesso. So after this dries, I'm gonna see if I don't like it, I might splatter with gesso. Alright, so here's the background, splattered with white, and then the cut file laid down, and then splattered with gold. Just super fun. I backed the photo twice. I used actually this red and this plaid to bring that back in. And then when I was backing it with this plaid, I saw this cute card I had cut, and I thought I could just keep cutting it around. Do I want, maybe I just want to cut it with my scissors. I have plenty of titles, but I thought I could just keep cutting it around the frame part. Oh, here, I'll do this, and then I'll it's kind of a wonky frame, but that's okay. But oh, what fun, how, like, that's perfect title for this. So I figured we would tuck that in right here. And then we can use other embellishments. I think we should pop this up on foam for sure, because this background is so busy. We want it to really pop. There we go. So we'll do that. Let's see, I've got bigger pieces. I could not get my normal fun foam size lately, so I got these. They're like legal size foam on Amazon. I can put the link down this in the description box if you want to know where those are at. But they're huge. What are they? See if these are this foam sticker sheet 2, but they're huge. So it's bigger than 8.5 by 11. I want to say, what is it? It's like a 9 by 12.5. Yeah. Which is awesome. Super awesome. All right. Need a little foam. Just a little bit right here. I like good coverage. Just some people who just are happy with sticking one little punk. I can't do it. I'm worried it'll not, I don't know. I'm worried it'll collapse. I'm not sure what I'm worried about, but let's see. We've got some thicker things. We've got some stars. All right, and then we have the giant sticker sheet and the enamel dots. Oh, and we have ephemera. Where did it go? My desk is atrocious. Atrocious, you guys. Atrocious. Here, we've got these and we've got stickers. So we've got a lot to work with. And these cut files are amazing. So if I tuck this under, so awesome with the foam, because then it's lifted up. If I leave a little gap right there, that's okay. I can tuck something. But we don't want that. We don't want that. And then we'll just sneaky we'll stick this back on the sticker sheet. I like that. That looks nice. I kind of want to put this joy sticker. Can I? Yeah. We might shove some glue under there. Where is my glue? Oh, I know where it is. I've been back in Cutfiles in front of the television, so I have glue, fussy cutting scissors, and all that upstairs. Ooh, a green star. And I'm just trying to find out how many stars and snowflakes I have in my little embellishment add-on set from the scrap room for this collection. And I think I have gathered all of my stars. And yeah. Green. We'll put a green one there. And we'll do a snowflake over here. Maybe. Yeah. My glue. Ugh. Okay. And then we shall look at oh my gosh, by golly. I'm liking that. And I'm debating, should I do some enamel dots or should I do Nouveau? You know, I have the enamel dots. Why would I not use those? Let's dot some of these guys around. Should we just do the pale color? Oh, glued that to the table with all that glue. It seeped out. that's good. All right. Yeah, let's do this pale blue. There we go. Perfect. I don't need to journal on this. It's just a picture of their Christmas party. It's going right in his album, right with the rest of his first grade stuff. So that is that. There you have it. Using some foliage or leaves and using the Christmas foliage cut file in pattern paper just to make a crazy looking background. I love the way it turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you check out the channels all below. Make sure you check out the Etsy shop, 25% off until the hop is over, essentially. So that's on the 19th for us in the US. And check out the Facebook group for the freebies before they disappear as well. Thank you again, and we'll see you next time.